how to send recurring payments on Cash App. Now, in order to do this, you will need to have a Cash App card. You can get one by clicking on the second icon here at the bottom from your Cash App application. Now, you can apply for a card right through the screen. You can just click on Get Your Free Card, choose the design, and then you will receive it by mail. Now, how can we actually set up recurring payments? So if I go here and I click on my profile, then scroll down and click on support, I'll just Google search or just search for recurring. You can see I've already viewed it here. So recurring, just like that. And you can see recurring subscriptions and charges. So it's going to tell us that subscription charges are typically pre-approved, recurring, including trial offers or card on file. Payments, common subscriptions vary for different services such as Apple, DoorDash, Lyft, Spotify, Hulu, Experian, and more. So basically, what you can do is use your Cash App card, which is a debit card, to pay for those subscriptions. So you will transfer money from your Cash App card, which we applied for in the previous screen here, on the specific app that you want to pay the recurring payment to or subscription. So if you use your debit card, your Cash App debit card, then you can transfer money from your Cash App to pay for those specific subscriptions. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.